Hi, hello friends, welcome back. So today's video is about binding and wooden frame as you see in the thumbnail. So why is it binding so important? Before starting any embroidery project, it is very important to bind your wooden frame because the raw wooden frames often have tiny fibers or splinters that can hurt you, your hands, or even it can tear delicate fabrics. So the binding helps to create a smooth and a safe surface for embroidery, and also it improves the grip, keeps the fabric stretched evenly, and prevents slipping while we do the embroidery work. For the process of binding, we required a strip of cotton cloth about an inch or 1.5 inch width. A fabric glue, it can be anything. Here I'm using B7000, a paper tape or a masking tape, and scissors. So apply a small amount of fabric glue to the starting edge of the cotton strips and also onto the wooden frame. Stick it firmly onto the inner rib of the frame and wrap the cloth strips tightly around the frame. And you should start wrapping by keeping it an angle so that when we wrap the cotton, it will overlap slightly as you go and keep the wrap smooth and even. And continue wrapping, and once you reach the end, apply the glue again to secure the last bit of cloth onto the frame. Also, you should not forget to cover that metallic part where the screws are fixed. Now take the paper tape and wrap it around the outer edge of the frame. This adds another layer of protection, and also it may prevent ripping of cloth as we work with a wooden frame. Okay, so this covers all the rough wooden fibers that may poke our hand or the fabric. And that's it. Your embroidery frame is now safely bound and smooth, strong, and ready. Thank you.